Today we bicycle into Zion Canyon to explore the Riverwalk. Beautiful Eden-like scenery coming right up right here on Idaho Voyager. After riding our bikes to the end of the trail here in the Zion Canyon, we're doing, what's this walk called? The Riverwalk?
Yeah, the Riverwalk.
It's 2 miles out and back along this canyon, and it's just breathtaking. The red and then the green. It almost looks like a scene from, I don't know what, like Garden of Eden kind of, with the real green lushness emerging from the red rock and the really unique trees that are growing. It's got this odd magical feel. Would that be a stretch, Anna?
No, that's about right.
So that'll do it for another episode here on Idaho Voyager. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe today and ring that notification bell so you don't miss a beat.